So Premiere Pro is amazing for simple animations, but I've got a few tricks that will help you take your animation from this to this. So today I'm going to show you how to make smooth animations in Premiere Pro.
First, head to the Effects tab and find the Transform effect. Then drag this onto the element you are wanting to animate. Now, the simple way to animate is to turn on the stopwatch, set a keyframe at the start, then move forward in time and set an end position for your animation. And this is what the default linear animation looks like. Now, quickly to make this look even better, we can right-click the first keyframe and choose Temporal Interpolation, Ease Out. Then right-click the end keyframe and choose Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. And straight away, this has made the animation a lot smoother. But to take it to the next level, we can expand the animation box and create our own custom path. We do this by clicking on the first keyframe, grabbing the anchor control arm and pulling it towards the right. Then do the same for the last keyframe, but instead pulling it towards the left to create a mountain-like path. What this does is make the animation start slow, then ramp up, and then slow back down again. This is how you get the most realistic looking animation. And finally, to complete the look, we can add some motion blur by unchecking Use Composition's shutter angle and setting our shutter angle to 180 degrees. Then just render it out and see the results.
Honestly guys, this will save you an absolute butt ton of time rather than having to jump over to After Effects to smooth out your animations. If you did enjoy this quick tip, then I'll leave a link up here to my full playlist for you, and consider liking and subscribing. And as always, stay creative and just be you.